Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. So today we will see how to configure Log4j. The core components to configure a Log4j are discussed here. So configuring Log4j involves assigning the level, defining appenders, and also specifying the layout objects in the configuration file. The log4j.properties file is a log4j configuration file which keeps properties in key value pairs. So always remember, when you're writing the properties file, you have to follow the naming convention as log4j.properties because log4j always looks for that properties in order to embed all the configurations which you have written there. So as all other property files which we write, this is also exactly similar to that of other property files because it also holds the key value pairs, as in you can write a key followed by a value. Okay, by default the log manager looks for a file named log4j.properties in the class path. So always you have to keep this property file in the class path. The log4j properties syntax is something like, first we have to define the root logger along with the appenders which we'll be using in the properties file. So you could go like log4j.root equals, you would write what is the level which you want to set and also what are the appenders you'll be using in the properties file. Then next you would write the appenders. You would define the appenders as in what type of appender it is and what is the layout for that appender and what is the conversion pattern, like as in how you want to display it and so on and so forth. So this is the basic syntax, as in first we have to write about the root logger, telling it what will be the level of the logging and also what are the appenders you'll be using, and then next you'll be defining the appenders individually. We will look at the example program wherein we will see how to use the console appender and so on, and then I would be explaining you the patterns as well as the layouts how we are using there.